How to fix Spotify group season on Spotify. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open settings of your phone. Then when it's opening, you have to go directly to apps or applications, and then you have to go to Spotify, and on Spotify you have to go to storage, and on storage go to clear data, click OK, and now go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is going to Play Store and updating your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.